Hello students, welcome to Maths online classes for standard 8th. Today's topic is factorization of algebraic expressions. Today we will solve practice set 6.2. So let's begin.
Now write down practice set 6.2. Question number 1. Factorize. First sum x cube plus 64y cube. Write down answer. We have to arrange the question in such a way that we should get cube root of 64. X cube I will write in bracket, x bracket raised to cube plus, now tell me 64 is cube of which number? So write here 4 in bracket. We have to take y also inside the bracket and here cube. Why we wrote like this? Because we want in the form of formula. Write down by using formula. This formula we have to write a cube plus b cube equals, in first bracket a plus b, in second bracket a square minus ab plus b square bracket close. Take this question down in bracket x raised to 3 plus 4y raised to 3 equal. In first bracket a plus b is given. It means we have considered a equals x and b equals 4y. So in first bracket x plus 4y will come. In second bracket a square means x square minus a into b, x into 4y plus b square means 4y square, and final answer is first bracket as it is, in second bracket x square minus multiply here 4xy plus square of 4 is 16 and square of y is y square. We write 16y square bracket close. 125 p cube plus q cube. As I said, we should know cube and cube roots. Now type your answer in the chat box. 125 is cube of what? Kshitij, Amjad, Farhan, Shraddha, Shruti, Sanika, Prachiti, Raj, Chaitrali, Shreyas, Paras, Purva, Navnidan, Samruddhi, Vedant, Shahid. Okay, Aswat, stop now. Pushkar, Shweta, Priyanka, Avantika, Prarthana, Abdul. List is going on, increasing. 125 is cube of 5. 5 into 5 is 25. 25 into 5 is 125. So what is first step? Okay, stop typing now. First step is we have to convert it into a cube root. Write down answer in bracket 5p whole cube plus q cube. Q cube by using formula a cube plus b cube equals, in first bracket a plus b, second bracket a square minus ab plus b square. Take this question down in first bracket 5p whole cube plus q cube. Again we have to see a equals 5p, b equals q. So in first bracket 5p plus q, a square means 5p square. I will write directly 25p square minus 5p into q plus q square is equal to 5p plus q, in second bracket 25p square minus p into q, pq minus 5pq plus q square. Write down third one. 125 k cube plus 27 m cube. Write down answer. 125 we will write as a 5k bracket cube plus 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 27 is cube of 3. 3 is cube root of 27, 3m whole cube. By using formula a cube plus b cube equals first bracket a plus b, in second bracket a square minus ab plus b square. See here, one general thing I want to tell about this formula. Normally, if in the question part of formula plus sign is there, in answer part also, everywhere all plus or positive signs are there normally, okay? But here negative sign is there, so don't get confused. You should remember that at one place negative is there and other places positive is there. So write down this question down. 5k bracket cube plus 3m bracket cube equals, here a equals 5k, b equals 3m, in first bracket 5k plus 3m. Now here a square, we will take square of 5, that is 25k square, minus a is again 5k into b is 3m plus b square, it means square of 3 is 9, square of m is m square. In previous sum q was there, in this sum 9 is there, so by mistakenly don't cut the leg of this 9. First bracket as it is, I will change the color, 5k plus 3m 25k square minus, we can multiply the numbers, 5 3s are 15 km plus 9m square. Write down fourth sum, 2l cube plus 432 m cube. Here 2 is there, here 432 is there. We don't know cube root of 2, we don't know cube root of 432. So what we will do, we have to take something common from both the terms. So we have to take 2 outside from this term and from this term. L cube plus, if we divide 432 by 2, we get here 2 to the 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, m cube as it is. Now here only L cube is there, and we know 216 is cube of what? It's a cube of 6. 6 6 are 36. 36 into 6 is 216. 2 we will write down as it is, this square bracket, simple bracket, L cube plus, in bracket 6m bracket cube, close this square bracket. Write down by using formula. Write down formula, a cube plus b cube equals, in first bracket a plus b, in second bracket a square minus ab plus b square. Take this question part down. In first bracket a plus b, it means L plus 6m. In second bracket L square minus L into 6m plus square of 6m, 36m square. This bracket close, this bracket close. L plus 6m, L square minus 6lm plus 36n square, bracket close. Fifth sum, 24 a cube plus 81 b cube. We know that 24 is not a perfect cube of any number, and here 81 is there. It means we can't take 2 as a common, but we can take 3 as a common from both the numbers. Therefore, take 3 outside. 3 hows are 24. 3 8s are 24. Plus, if we divide 81 by 3, we get 27 b cube. 27 3s are 81. Did you understand? Write down answer by using formula a cube plus b cube equals, in first bracket a plus b, in second bracket a square minus ab plus b square. I'm writing its cube root form here in front. Actually, you should write it in the next line. 8 is cube of 2, 27 is cube of 3, 2a cube plus 3b cube. Write down, a means 2a, b equals 3b. 3 we will write down as it is. In first bracket, 2a plus 3b. A square means 2a square, that is 4a square minus 2a into 3b plus square of 3 is 9b square. And answer is 3 we will write down as it is. 2a plus 3b, 4a square, 3 to the 6, ab plus 9b square. Y cube plus 1 upon 8y cube. Take these terms in bracket in cube root form. Y bracket cube plus 1 upon 2y whole cube. By using formula, a cube plus b cube equals, in first bracket a plus b, in second bracket a square minus ab plus b square. Y cube plus 1 upon 2y bracket cube. Y plus 1 upon 2y, a square means y square we have to take, a into b, y into 1 upon 2y plus b square means 1 upon 4y square. This y is at the place of numerator, this is at the place of denominator, both y will get cancelled. What is left? 1 upon 2, y plus 1 upon 2y, y square minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4y square, bracket close. Write down seventh. A cube plus 8 upon a cube. A I will take in bracket, bracket raised to cube, plus 8 is cube of 2. Inside the bracket I will write 2 upon a whole cube. By using formula, a cube plus b cube equals, in first bracket a plus b, in second bracket a square minus ab plus b square, bracket close. Take the question down. In first bracket a raised to cube, in second bracket 2 upon a cube, a plus 2 upon a square minus a into 2 upon a plus b square means 2 upon a square. Square of 2 is 4, square of a is a square, bracket close. A plus 2 upon a, here also a and a will get cancelled. A square minus 2 plus 4 upon a square, bracket close. This is our answer. Last sum, 1 plus q cube upon 125. I will take 1 in bracket raised to 3. Whatever we'll do with 1, whether we are writing here square, cube or fourth root, fifth root or any power, value of 1 remains 1, plus in second bracket q upon 5 whole cube. By using formula, a cube plus b cube equals a plus b, in second bracket a square minus ab plus b square. Take this question down. Cube of 1 in second bracket q upon 5 raised to 3. 1 plus q by 5. Square of 1 is 1 minus 1 into q by 5 plus q square upon square of 5 is 25. And finally, in first bracket 1 plus q by 5, and here 1 minus any number, any fraction, any term multiply with 1 gets the same number, q by 5 plus q square upon 25.
That's all for this video. If you are visiting our channel first time, please subscribe to our channel as it's totally free, and press bell icon. Like and share this video. And finally, thanks for watching and supporting. God bless you all.